Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about Capricorn Ascendant and the predictions for the month of May 2024. So the good thing that has happened to the Capricorn Ascendant in the month of May is that Jupiter has now transitioned into their fifth house of education, kids, love and speculation. So if you are a student, then the next 1 year is going to be extremely good for you because Jupiter from the fifth house is going to aspect the ninth house of higher education. So all those students who are going to pursue a degree in college or even in universities or PhD, they will find their probability of success to be very high. Jupiter is also going to aspect the ascendant through its ninth aspect, and it is going to provide you the much desired stability in your life in the next 1 year. For people who are in jobs, this month is going to be very good because the sixth house lord Mercury is going to transition through the fourth house, where it is going to combine with Sun, who happens to be the eighth house lord, and Sun is going to be in an exalted position till 13th of May. So this combination of the sixth house lord combining with the eighth house would mean that all those people who are currently in jobs in the domains that are related to research, technical related work, all those dealing in gold, government securities and insurance will see a very good month. Time frame from 1st to 13th of May is extremely good for you to rise and shine at the workplace. Saturn is your ascendant and the second house lord. The ascendant lord in the second house is considered a very good position from the wealth perspective, but since this is Saturn, so it is going to give its results very slowly in the 2.5 years period when it is going to transit through this sign. Now in the month of May, Saturn is going to transit through the star of Jupiter. So this month is going to be very good from the finance perspective, and especially the time frame from 22nd to 24th of May is going to be very good from the cash flow perspective, and there is a high probability that this money is going to come from a different source than your usual source. Saturn here is going to continue to increase responsibilities for you as far as your family and household are concerned, and all those people who will accept these responsibilities, Saturn is going to give them good result. Since this is also the house of your speech and what you consume, it is very good for you if you don't use harsh speech when you are talking to other people. Refrain from consuming alcohol and shun non-vegetarian food, then Saturn will give you good results while transitioning through this house. Venus is highly benefic planet because it owns your 10th house, which is a quadrant, and a trine, which is your 5th house. So till 18th of May, Venus is going to be in your 4th house, and while it creates a good combination for buying a vehicle or a luxury item, Venus in the sign of Aries is completely powerless, so it will not provide you the results that it usually provides you. But after 18th of May, from 19th of May to 11th of June, Venus is going to be in its own sign in the fifth house, and it is going to combine with Jupiter here. Both the planets are related to wealth as well as related to higher learning. So this transit is going to be extremely beneficial for you to upgrade your skills by enrolling in some kind of a short-term courses or professional courses that take you up to a higher level, enhance your professional status, and gives you an opportunity to build onto your skill set. So such kind of courses in the professional domain will be very helpful for all the Capricorn ascendant people. And while the lord of fifth sitting in the fifth house is a very good combination, but both Venus and Jupiter are going to be combust in the month of May. So if you are interested in speculation, it is better to stay away from it in the month of May, because you are not going to make any money in the market will slowly bleed you out. So it is better that you stay away. If you are planning to conceive a child, then this time frame is perfect for conception, and if you already have a kid, then this year will be a very good year for the progress of your child. They will be able to excel in their studies in the remaining part of 2024. The only blip that is there in this month is from 6th May to the 6th of July, which is an extended time frame of 2 months. there is a high probability of a sudden expenditure for you, because Jupiter also happens to be the 12th house lord. So this would be a good time for you to plan and keep some kind of a buffer as far as money is concerned, in order to meet this sudden expenditure which may be on the horizon in the next 2 months time frame. Mars and Rahu are combining in your third house, which means that you may get into some kind of a real estate problem with your younger siblings, and issues may arise, especially if you own some kind of an ancestral property or a joint property. This is not a month to get into arguments with them, and this is also not a good time to buy or sell in any kind of a real estate or a land, because you will get into trouble. You may find yourself locked in a perpetual dispute if you happen to do any kind of a real estate or a land dealing in the month of May, because this Rahu is going to completely spoil the significators of Mars. So it is better to stay away from any such dealing, at least in the month of May. There are also certain dates when you need to remain careful. 11th and 12th of May is a time when you need to watch out for your health, and you should avoid consuming any kind of a cold substance like an ice cream or a cold drink. 16th and 17th of May will be mentally stressful for you, and 25th and 26th of may cause a certain kind of a enhanced expenditure. So these 6 days are something that you need to watch very closely. But if you talk overall, this month is actually the month of beginning of a good time for Capricorn ascendant people. This transitioning Jupiter in the fifth house is going to provide you stability to your life by aspecting the ascendant, and the ascendant lord transitioning through the second house would mean that you need to be very cautious when you speak with others. Do not use harsh words, measure your words before you speak, do not consume alcohol and non-vegetarian food. And all those people who are following all these things, and especially those Capricorn ascendant people who are undergoing Saturn's MD at this point of time, they will see a lot of benefits coming in the next 1 year, especially with this aspect of Jupiter on the ascendant. Would mean that not only it is going to bring stability in your life, it is also going to give you many learning opportunities in the next 1 year. So that's the summary for you for this month. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would request you to do so, and thank you very much for watching.